Meet the Bolano Dining Arm Chair with cushion by Ratana, sleek, tailored, and made for long, easy meals that slide into sunset. Its clean-line silhouette pairs modern simplicity with inviting comfort, so it looks just as good at a casual brunch as it does at a candlelit dinner with friends. Engineered for real outdoor living, Bolano features a powder-coated aluminum frame that resists rust and stays looking fresh through sun, rain, and coastal air. The design is sturdy yet pleasantly lightweight, making it simple to shuffle seating when you're hosting, then move everything back when the evening winds down. The cushion is built for the elements with quick-dry foam and removable, performance fabric covers. Think easy care, soft hand, and color that lasts season after season. Day-to-day upkeep stays simple. A quick wipe or light rinse is usually all it takes to keep the frame and cushion looking their best. If you want a dining chair that brings elevated style, lasting durability, and effortless comfort to every gathering, Bolano is a standout choice. So, if you're ready to learn more or shop for this item, our San Diego-based team is ready to help. They've learned about every product firsthand in our showroom, so they can answer any question you have. Or if you're not in the San Diego area, just click the link to this item in the description below.